Before we start today's symposium, I'd like to take a few minutes to introduce PRiME and highlight what we've accomplished in our first year, as well as to describe our plans moving forward. PRiME was launched last year with the vision of bringing together U of T's campus leaders in all areas of precision medicine and biomedical research, including drug discovery, diagnostics, and disease biology. We launched this initiative in 2019 with 50 investigators from 15 different departments within 4 U of T faculties. Over the past year, our core community has grown to over 70 professors and 130 trainees. By uniting researchers across the biological sciences, physical sciences, engineering, and medicine, we have expanded our areas of expertise and increased our ability to spark new collaborations, take on new team-based initiatives, forge new partnerships with industry and commercialization centers, all with the goal of attacking the key challenges in precision medicine and advancing new solutions to the clinic. We've built critical expertise in areas that are central to the future of biomedical research, including antibody development, nanomedicine, small molecule discovery, biology on chip, diagnostic technology, and disease biology. And we've also formed a community that can quickly respond to emerging areas and pursue new scientific directions. As we're all aware, 2020 has been a year filled with dramatic changes and challenges caused by the emergence of a global pandemic. The global crisis caused by COVID-19 has only reinforced how critical it is that we improve our understanding of disease biology and rapidly translate this knowledge to new therapeutics and disease diagnostics. Recognizing this, we launched the PRiME Task Force on Advanced Diagnostics and Therapeutics for COVID-19 on March 30th, very soon after the pandemic emerged in Canada. We were very fortunate to receive over $2 million from the Toronto COVID-19 Action Initiative and the Canadian Institutes of Health Research to support the efforts of the task force. With a collaborative, team-based approach, members of the task force have developed powerful new diagnostic devices for rapid viral detection and have several therapeutic candidates now in preclinical testing. Additionally, we convened our community into symposia over the summer to provide details about the many advances being made to address the pandemic within our community. In addition to the scientific value of this task force, we've also seen 2 new startup companies launch based on this effort, highlighting the commitment of our members to a translational, bench-to-bedside approach to advancing new breakthroughs. Collaborative, multidisciplinary research is the foundation for many of the goals we hope to achieve through PRiME. By bringing together U of T's best and brightest, we hope to make a significant impact in the fight against the world's most problematic health challenges. One way we are approaching this is through a focus on the next generation of researchers. PRiME hosts a variety of events throughout the year that are focused on helping graduate students and postdoctoral fellows learn more about different career paths in the biomedical sciences and network to further their career development options. Last year, our flagship PRiME Fellows program supported 10 exceptional young scholars with new collaborative projects linking at least 2 of our faculty members. The projects that were supported included an effort to develop treatments for glioblastoma, CRISPR-based diagnostic tools, and proteomic-based approaches to study neural stem cell aging. Many of the projects that were seed funded with PRiME fellowships were then shaped into full grant proposals by the PRiME team and have garnered more than $2 million worth of funding from federal agencies, including NSERC, the NRC, the New Frontiers in Research Fund, as well as industry sponsors. Today, you'll hear from the 2020 cohort of PRiME Fellows who were just named in September and are being supported by this initiative. The fellows will present their projects in 2-minute lightning talks, showcasing the cutting-edge science that they're pursuing and the tremendous potential for impact. To keep this afternoon interactive, we are asking that you pay close attention during their talks, as you'll be asked to vote for the best delivery, and we will award an audience choice recognition to the fellow who gets the most votes. So please stay tuned for their talks and then vote during the break. To provide additional opportunities for graduate students and postdoctoral fellows involved in PRiME, we've also launched an industry-partnered fellowship program, which enables industry academic collaboration and provides trainees with the opportunity to work directly with some of our partners in biotech and pharma. We currently have several trainees working with Ontario-based companies and are looking forward to expanding this program. If you are an industry group and have an opening that you'd like to partner with us around within this program, we would really welcome hearing from you. If you are interested in joining a lab that is part of PRiME, we've now made it easy for you to see all of the open opportunities. We've launched a page on our website and posted some of the incredible research opportunities within our community. We already have several positions posted from PRiME researchers looking to expand their efforts, and we will continue to add internship opportunities as well as full-time positions at U of T and also positions with our local industry partners. We encourage you to take a look and to consider joining us. In our first year, we held a number of events to create community within PRiME. But by far the highlight of these was our 2-part collaboration competition pitch event. Our trainees were set up to science speed date and were put into groups in an informal setting one evening with the aim of identifying potential collaborations. After a few weeks where they were able to follow up on these sparks of inspiration, we held a pitch competition and allowed teams to present their projects to a panel of judges. We were incredibly impressed with the creative ways our teams brought together diverse research expertise, and it really reinforced the impact that this type of bottom-up approach can have. We'll be holding more collaboration competitions this year, so definitely stay tuned for more details. PRiME is strongly focused on translation, partnerships, and building community. The work we do to advance new therapies and devices will only be successful with partners who can enable clinical translation. We are delighted to have so many here today from industry, tech transfer, and our local research ecosystem. The partnerships that we will forge together are critical for the success of this initiative. If you're interested in partnering with PRiME or learning more about the work of our investigators, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We're also very excited to build on the international collaborations our researchers have established. Earlier this month, PRiME was awarded a Connaught Global Challenge Award from the University of Toronto, and this will allow us to initiate joint programming with UCSF, Hebrew University, the National University of Singapore, and the ETH Zurich. Our plans include a global speaker series, a graduate student and postdoctoral fellow exchange program, and a summer scholars program for both local and international undergraduates. We invite all of you to stay tuned as we launch this new effort and expand the global reach of PRiME. I'd like to thank our supporters and those who have made the launch of PRiME possible. Our provost, our vice president of research and innovation, and the deans and vice deans of research from all 4 of our faculties: pharmacy, arts and science, medicine, and applied science and engineering. All of these faculties have provided essential support and feedback as this initiative continues to grow, and I really thank them for this. PRiME's vision and goals for the year ahead continue to focus on building the impact of this initiative, fostering partnerships and community, empowering new interdisciplinary collaborations, training the next generation of scientists and entrepreneurs, and working with others to foster a a biotech ecosystem in Toronto that can achieve worldwide impact.